Hi friends! Welcome to Chef Charlie's Kitchen. Today, we're going to learn all about healthy eating. Are you ready to have some fun with food? Look at all these yummy fruits and veggies. Eating healthy helps us grow strong and stay happy. Let's see what we have here. We have apples, carrots, broccoli, and bananas. Fruits and veggies give us vitamins and energy. Here's a healthy meal. We need different foods to keep our body strong. This plate has chicken for protein, rice for grains, and veggies for vitamins.
Eat a rainbow every day. Fruits and veggies in every way. Red, green, yellow, and blue. Healthy food is good for you.
Let's make a yummy fruit salad. First, we wash our hands. Then, we cut up some fruits like apples, bananas, and strawberries. Mix them all together and tada! A delicious and healthy snack. So tasty! Remember friends, eating healthy can be fun and yummy. Try to eat different fruits and veggies every day.
Healthy foods are good to eat. They make a tasty, happy treat. Strong and healthy we will grow when we eat foods from head to toe.
Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, friends. Keep eating healthy and stay strong. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.